Hello friends, my name is Amrita Mondal. Welcome to my channel. These are some basic informations of MS Excel which you need to know before starting MS Excel. Here I have this data and I will show you how to do wrap text in MS Excel. If you do like this, then you can see it just extend the cell, but we are not extend it. We have to do with the wrap text. For that we have to go to the wrap text option. So under alignment group, under home tab, you can see this is the wrap text option and click on it and you can see these two big words split in two lines. So in this way you can do wrap text in MS Excel. Now I will show you how to do merging in MS Excel. I am here writing a heading of this data, that is product details. Now I am selecting this and doing some decoration in it, like adding the bold and underline option and also change the color of it. And now select some cells and go to the alignment group under home tab and click on this small arrow option and go to the merge and center option from there, and you can see cells are merged and the heading comes into the middle portion of this area. Also I have changed the size of this data. Now I am writing some letters, also selecting some cells and go to again at the merge option. Then select merge across option from there. You can see cells are merged. Actually the column partitions are erased and it looks like individual rows. You can change the alignment from here. Now I am again selecting these cells and go to this small arrow option and just unmerge it to go to this unmerge option. You can see cells return to its original position. Now I am writing this word company here and just see this is the alignment of this word and I am here change this alignment. I am doing here the left alignment and the upper alignment here. Then selecting some cells. Then go to the alignment group under home tab. Again go to this small arrow option. Then click on merge cells option and you can see these cells are merged and the alignment remains same which I have saved previously for this word company. Again go to the unmerge cells option and you can see these cells are unmerged. In this way you can do merging and unmerging in MS Excel. For applying orientation, now I am selecting this cell. Then go to the cells group under home tab. Then go to the format option. From there go to the format cells option. Then go to the alignment option from there. Then go to this option orientation and just adjust the degree. From here you can increase or decrease these degrees from here, or you can just click on this plain line from here and just hold that line and rotate it as per your requirement degree wise. And after select a degree, just click on this OK button. You can see this word company has rotated in that degree wise. And I am changing this orientation degree at another side in that same manner. You can see it has changed its direction. Now I am writing a big data here or big sentence. And then select this cell or data. Then go to the cells group under home tab and go to the format option from there and again go to the format cells option from there. You can see this box has appeared and go to this alignment section and from there go to this shrink to fit option and click on it and you can see this tick over here and just click on OK from there. And now you can see it has diminished its size and it comes into a cell right now. In this way you can apply shrink to fit option on any data. That's it for today's video. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then please comment me in the comments section below. If you are new in my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon button to get all notifications of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in my next video.